How do you deal with dot plots on the SAT math, and how do you find parameters such as the median of in a dot plot? Hi, I'm the SAT math guru. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos on SAT math. All right, let's get into today's question. Which of the following dot plots, each with 9 data values, represent a data set with a median value that is less than 70? And we have these 4 here. So what I'm going to do is, first things first, this is a dot plot. All these are dot plots. Now I'm going to be showing you what they represent as we solve this question. All right, so let's take A for example. Let me use this color. So now what this means is that there are 3 values of 55 here. So we have 55, 55, 55 again. Then we don't have any value for 60. We have one value of 65. We have one value of 70. We have 3 values of 75. We have one of 80, and we have none for 85. So let me write all that down. So 355s, we've written that, 165, 170, 375, 180. That's for the first one. Now for the second one, we have 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 280 values, 285 values. For the third option, we have no 55, 360, 265, 170, no 75, 380. 380 values, Then for the last option, we have no 55, no 60, 3 values of 65, 2 values of 70, 1 value of 75, 1 value of 80, and 2 values of 85. Now if you notice, they are all 9 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are all 9 values as the question says. So now, which of them represents a median value that is less than 70? Because there are 9 values, the middle will be just one number, will be the middle number. Okay, so for the first one, how do we find the middle number? So we can cancel this and cancel this, one of this and one of this, one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back. So the median here is 70, not less than 70, so the answer is not A. Let's go to B. Take one from the front, cancel one from the back, cancel one from the front, cancel one from the back, cancel one from the front, cancel one from the back, cancel one from the front, cancel one from the back. The median here is 75. Remember, the median is the middle number, so we are looking for the middle number. So the middle number is the 5th number because it's 9 values. Okay, so if you notice here, the 70 was the 5th value, 75 was the 5th value. So what's the 5th value in this third one? Let's cancel that. The 5th value here is 65, and this is less than 70. So this should be our answer because the median value is less than 70. Now let's confirm for the last option. This, 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 and this. The median value here is 70. So it's only C that gives us the median value less than 65, and that's our answer. And this is how you approach questions on dot plots on the SAT math. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value from this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you want to boost your SAT math score and improve your SAT math skills in 1 week, please click the link in the description to sign up for my course, which will help you do just that. And I'll see you in part 7. Thank you.